Hello. In this video, we will be resetting an HP ProLiant DL360 Gen8 server to its factory defaults. This can be useful if you're selling the server, repurposing it, or just want a clean slate. Let's get started. First, power on your server. As it boots, watch for the prompt to enter the BIOS setup. This usually involves pressing a key like F9, F10, or F11. The specific key will be displayed on the screen during the boot process. Press the appropriate key repeatedly until you enter the System Utilities menu. Once in the System Utilities menu, navigate to the System Options section. Use the arrow keys to highlight this option and press Enter. Within System Options, look for an option related to ROM settings or system defaults. The exact wording may vary slightly. You might see something like Restore Factory Default Settings or Default System Settings. Select the appropriate option and press Enter. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to restore the factory defaults. Read the message carefully to understand the implications. Confirm your choice by selecting Yes or OK and pressing Enter. The system will then begin the process of resetting the settings. This might take a few moments. Once the reset is complete, you'll likely be prompted to reboot the server. Select the option to reboot and press Enter. After the reboot, the server will be running with its factory default settings. You may need to reconfigure your operating system, network settings, and other preferences. Keep in mind that resetting to factory defaults will erase any configurations you've made. It is highly recommended to back up any important data before proceeding with this process. For example, before initiating the reset, ensure you have backups of any RAID configurations, user accounts, and network settings you wish to retain. If you forget your ILO password, this reset won't affect that. You will need to look for the UID and physically access the server. That is a different procedure and covered in other videos. The reset we performed reverts all BIOS settings to their original state. Remember to document your existing settings before performing this task. This will help you get the server back to the state you want. This completes the process of resetting an HP ProLiant DL360 Gen8 server to its factory defaults. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to support the channel. Consider leaving a comment if you have any further questions or suggestions for future videos.